The baling and compaction equipment can rapidly and efficiently compress and pack various waste materials such as scrap metal, plastic, and paper, reducing their volume for easy transportation and further processing. We customize baling and compaction equipment according to your specific needs, ensuring perfect adaptation to your waste management requirements. Horizontal metal baling and compaction equipment, used for compressing scrap metal materials such as old cars and steel into convenient bales or blocks for transportation and smelting. Horizontal waste cardboard baling and compaction equipment, used for compressing waste paper and cardboard into compact bales for storage and transportation, facilitating recycling or further processing. Vertical plastic compaction equipment, used for compressing waste plastic bottles, cans, and other plastic materials into compact blocks for easy handling and transportation, facilitating reuse or energy recovery. Each type of equipment is designed for different types of waste materials and employs compression and packaging techniques to reduce their volume, thereby lowering transportation costs and improving operational efficiency.